Hi everyone, welcome back to the Declarative Academy, your friendly pit stop for everything clicks not code on Salesforce. Today we're about to demystify a tiny but mighty corner of Service Cloud, entitlement processes. By the time we wrap up, you'll know exactly how to build a platinum level process, complete with milestones and a heads-up email alert, just like in Trailhead's Create an Entitlement Process module. First, let's set the stage. Imagine your busiest Monday morning. A VIP customer logs a critical case at 8 a.m. If support misses that first response window, the relationship and maybe next year's renewal is on thin ice. Entitlement processes put a visible clock on every support expectation, so the whole team knows how fast that case needs attention and when it must be resolved. In other words, milestones are the heartbeat of great service. We'll start in Service Setup, where you'll create 2 master milestones. Head to the gear icon, choose Service Setup, and in Quick Find type Milestones. Click New, name the first milestone First Response. Describe it as the notification that a case has been received and is being worked on. Leave recurrence at No Recurrence, and save. Immediately create the second milestone Resolution Time, flagging the deadline to resolve the case. Those 2 timers, 1 hour for first response, 8 hours for resolution, will keep agents honest. Next, jump to Object Manager on the account object and add a picklist field called Support Level with values Platinum, Gold, and Silver. This tiny picklist is your filter that decides which customers get which service clocks. With that in place, return to Service Setup, search for entitlement processes, and create a new process on the case object called Platinum Support. Activate it, set it to begin counting from the case's created date and to stop when the case closes, then save. Now it's time to bolt those milestones onto the entitlement process. Add first response first, give it a 60-minute trigger, set its order to 1, and add a filter so it only fires when account support level equals platinum. Add resolution time with a 480-minute trigger, order it second, and apply the same platinum filter. Voila, your timeline is live and smart. But good processes don't just track, they warn. Open classic email templates, create a simple text template titled First Response Due in 10 minutes, then pop back into the Platinum support process. Open the first response milestone and add a warning action that fires 10 minutes before breach. Attach your new email template to an email alert and address it to both the case owner and the customer support director role. The moment a Platinum case threatens to slip, those folks will know. Quick recap while you head back to Trailhead to verify your steps. So, what should stick with you? First, milestones drive everything, so define them clearly. Second, filters make the process intelligent, ensuring only your top-tier customers get platinum treatment. Third, proactive alerts turn looming SLA breaches into preventable blips. Best of all, every step was clicks not code. If this walkthrough helped, smash that like button, drop your questions or aha moments in the comments, and subscribe to the Declarative Academy for more snack-sized Salesforce lessons every week. Until next time, keep those clicks coming and happy trailblazing.